radian to degree or degree to radian. So, radian, so meron tayong circle. So, in one circle, we have circumference. Ito yung kabuuan ng sides ng circle natin. It's equal to 2 pi r. R means the radian. Yan, radian. So, in 1 revolutions, meron tayong 360. So, 2 pi r is equal to 360 degrees. Isang ikot na circle. So, if you're looking for the radian, so all you have to do is divide this 2 pi. So, the other side also divided by 2 pi. And this is cancelled. So, ibig sabihin, 1 radian is equal to, and this 360 divided by 2. So, meron tayong 180 degrees over pi. So, 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi. Paano naman pagka degrees? So, 2 pi r is equal to 360. Ito naman 360 and divide natin ng 360. So, if divided by 360, so the other side also divided by 360. Ito, cancel. Series. So, meron tayong cancel yan. So, meron tayong 1 degree. And then, ito, cancel. So, magiging pi r over 180 degrees. So, this is your formula. So, 1 degree is equal to pi r over r. There are times na hindi na sinusulat yung r. As long as na meron tayong pi, pwede na rin siya yung sulat ng 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 degrees. Kahit hindi mo na isulat yung r, understood na radian po yan as long as na meron tayong pi sa taas. Third, radian to degree. Sample. So, 2 pi. So, you have to change this into degree. So, 2 pi. So, multiply lang natin siya ng 180 degrees over pi. So, itong pi, cancel to. So, 2 times 3, 180. Meron tayong 360 degrees. Ito yung degree natin. Given natin yung radians, change to degree. Another example. 3 pi over 4. So, ito gagawin natin sa 3 pi over 4. Multiply again by 180 degrees over pi. Ito, cancel. Kailangan mawala yung pi natin. Then ito, cancel din to. So, meron tayong 45 degrees. So, 3 times 45, meron tayong 135 degrees. And then, another example. Number 3. Natin 1/2, pi over 2. Multiply natin. So, pi over 2 multiply by 180 over pi. Ito cancel. And then 180 divided by 2. So, meron tayong 90 degrees. Ayan. Paano naman kung baliktad? Convert degree to radian. So, meron tayo sa sample. Meron tayong 30 degrees. So, multiply natin ng 30 degrees. Babalik rin naman natin ito. Kung 180 ito sa kabila, over pi, this time magiging pi over 180 degrees. Ito, cancel. So, meron tayong pi over 6. Yan yung sagot natin. Number 2. Another example. Gamitin natin ay 45 degrees. So, 45 multiply by pi over 180. Ito, saka ito, cancel. So, ito magiging pi over 4. Ayan ang sagot natin. Number 3. Sabi natin ito ay 180. So, 180 degrees multiplied by pi over 180. This is cancel. So, ang sagot natin ay 5. Yan. So, this is the convert radian to degrees and the other one convert degree to radian. Actually, madali lang naman po ito.